The government of India's target to eliminate tuberculosis by 2030 was reiterated today as a 100-day campaign to fight the disease was launched in Meghalaya. The campaign was inaugurated by Health Minister while at Miki Shilla during the observance of World TB Day in Shillong. The program was organized by the State Tuberculosis Cell in collaboration with the TB Center of East Khasi Hills District. Addressing the gathering, the minister stated that although treatment for TB is available, the disease continues to persist. He pointed out that TB remains widespread across the country, particularly in urban areas, and said Meghalaya faces additional challenges due to difficult terrain and limited access to remote regions. He also stressed that eliminating TB would require strong public awareness and collective responsibility, adding that healthcare workers alone cannot achieve the goal without active community participation. He said that unless individuals take responsibility for their own health, neither the government nor healthcare workers will be able to fully address the issue.
Thank you, sir. Much have been shared, but the most important thing for us today to think is, in spite having a cure, but still we could not eradicate tuberculosis. No doubt, even in the different part of the country, in urban areas, in towns, they are still having tuberculosis. It will be a much challenge for a state like Meghalaya, where we faces the different challenges, especially our topography to reach the hard-reach area. So we do realize it's not easy. And I hope still today, there are still, like me, few years ago, when I still a kid, who still think that you get tuberculosis by watching television. So awareness is very important, and we should realize this fact. We should realize this fact that only the health worker cannot cure any diseases. As soon we realize that, the better is for us. Because we need to work together. As a community, as a state, we need to work together. Because until and unless we take responsibility of our own health, I will tell you, no government, no health practitioner will be able to help you. And it is so sad to see in our state. I used to tell this to my people, especially for my constituent who used to come to me and request for financial assistance to help them for treatment. The first thing I used to ask them, do you have MHIS card? So that's why I like to tell you all, it is very sad to know that still, in spite of this opportunity in our state, it's so sad to see that still till now we have not achieved the 100% enrollment of MHIS, which is very important. 5 lakhs annually you are getting for treatment, but still you don't have time to come and enroll yourself. If that kind of attitude we are having, how can we get ourselves get treated? So that's why I urge each and every one of us, to the people of our beloved state of Meghalaya, please join hands together. You have plenty of opportunity in front of you. Now the kind of effort being put from the health department, and I'm really thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister for giving 9% of the total budget allocation of our state is being given to health department. This itself shows where the priority of the government lies. In India, the annual spending for each person in the country right now is 3,500. But in our state of Meghalaya is 7,800 per person.
Assistant Program Officer of the National TB Elimination Program, Dr. A.J. Rinja, said the 100-day campaign aims to make Meghalaya TB free. She highlighted that India records around 2.8 million TB cases annually, with nearly 3 lakh to 4 lakh deaths, while a significant number of cases remain undetected. She also reiterated that the Government of India has set a target to eliminate TB by 2030, with the state government committed to supporting the mission.
Chief guest, Shri Vailat Miki Shilla, Honorable Minister.